So as you can see now, we can interact with our chatbot, and I can send as many messages to this chatbot as I want, and the chatbot is going to respond accordingly. And as the conversation gets longer, for example, if you keep asking and if you keep sending questions and messages, for example here, politics. If you keep asking the chatbot and if the conversation gets longer, what's gonna happen is that the chatbot will automatically scroll to the last message. So let me just keep asking the chatbot some questions. Do you like art? So as you can see, the chatbot will automatically scroll to the last message, and this is awesome because it gives the user that amazing user experience. And something we need to work on is the position of this message on the screen. As you can see, my messages are being displayed on the left side, and the chatbot messages are also being displayed on the left side of the screen. But let's, for example, if you want to display your own messages or the users messages on the right side, you can do that using CSS. So if you head on over back to your project, specifically if you head on over to the index.html, you can do that by adding here to this user input. Let me show you that here. User input, the user text, not the user input, because the user text has the text itself, which is this one. Let me show you this user text, this one user text. So I'm gonna here I'm gonna say user text, and then it's gonna have text align, and then right. We want to display it on the right side. So I'm gonna say here text user text, and then text align right. Let me now save and head on over back to the browser and refresh. And now if you refresh and start sending messages to the chatbot, let me here say hi and then send. As you can see, the message will be displayed on the right side instead of the left side. So now my messages will be displayed on the right side, whereas the messages that or responses that I am going to get from the chatbot will be displayed on the left. And by the way, you can also add here chatbot and then colon, and also user and colon. So you can here say, you can always say here in this user HTML, you can here say user, because this is the user, and then for the chatbot you can always here say chatbot here, chatbot. Of course outside this, so it should be here actually, chatbot. And now let me save and let me refresh and show you what's gonna happen if you refresh, and then if you send a message, it's gonna say user and then hi. In the response, you should also get chatbot and then chatbot first, and then colon, and then how are you, or how are you doing. So it's working and it's great, and I think the user is gonna have an amazing user experience.